Welcome to 12 Brookhurst Lane East, a beautifully updated home in Meredith's highly desirable Sands of Brookhurst neighborhood. Step inside to a bright, well-appointed kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances, which flows seamlessly into the formal dining area. The inviting living room offers warm hardwood floors, while the oversized great room provides the perfect space to relax, complete with a cozy wood stove on a classic brick hearth. The main level includes a comfortable bedroom and a full bath. Upstairs, you will find 2 additional spacious bedrooms and a second full bathroom for family and guests. The attached 2-car garage offers ample storage. Out back, an expansive deck overlooks a peaceful, wooded conservation area, ideal for summer cookouts. Best of all, this property includes shared waterfront access, a beautiful sandy beach, and a deeded dock for a 26-foot boat on Lake Winnipesaukee.